Hey guys, my name is Dylan. We are here at Raymore Skate Park on a super windy day, and we're gonna learn another sweeper trick today. This one's got a lot of different names, so I'm sure I'm gonna hear something in the comments about it, but I call it a saran wrap sweeper. Check it out. So a saran wrap sweeper is when you go up the ramp, front side. When you get to the top of the ramp, you're gonna kick your back foot off, grab the board with your front hand on the nose, keep your front foot on the board just like you would a normal sweeper, but then you're gonna actually take the nose, spin it 180 degrees to your left hand, and then spin it around again to your right hand. There are two different ways to do this trick. Today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do it, and at the end of this video, I'll show you the harder way to do it as well. For the harder way to do it, you're only gonna change hands one time, and you're actually gonna end up in that creeper position. If you don't know how to do a sweeper or a creeper, make sure to go back to the beginning of the series to check out those videos to learn how to do this trick. So to do it, approach the ramp front side, drop that back foot, grab the nose with your front hand, keep your front foot on the board, exchange the nose 180 degrees to your other hand, and then again to your other hand again, making a 360 degree shove it rotation. You will then sweep across the deck, make sure that your wheels are over the coping, bend your knees, jump back in, and ride away. So for me to do this trick, I put my feet right here. I put my front foot directly over those bolts, and my back foot is gonna be on the inside pocket. And it's just an easy way to make sure that when I go up the ramp, I can kick out and easily get that board right up into my hand. So as you approach the top of the ramp, when you do kick out, just like every other sweeper trick, if you bring your knee up to your chest, it's gonna be so much easier for you to reach down and grab the nose of your board. And this is a trick that you're gonna be on the deck a little bit longer than normal because of the rotation that you have to do. So when you first start learning it, it's okay to be on top of the deck for quite a bit of time. It's gonna seem like forever, but as long as you still have that movement going to the board, it's gonna be all right and it's gonna look awesome. So go up the ramp, kick out, and you may want to practice on flat first what that looks like. Grab the nose of your board, make sure to do that motion. Do that 360 shove it motion. Try it with 3 hands first and do that numerous times, and then do it with 2 hands as well. When you do this trick, it is gonna feel weird because your front foot is gonna come off the board, but that's okay. That's how the trick is supposed to be. And when you first start doing the rotation with your hands and the board, it's gonna be a little bit slow, and that's okay as well. As you start doing it more and more with time, it's gonna be so much faster. The goal of this trick is to go up the ramp and do it as quick as possible and to jump back in. Easiest way to do this trick, and it's because you end up back in sweeper. You still end up with your front hand, and jumping back in sweeper, in my opinion, is the easiest way to do it. When you end up with your back hand in creeper, it's a little bit harder because your body is a little more distorted, but that is the proper way to do it. I think they're both fun, but if you want to learn the proper way to do it, make sure that you go up the ramp and just exchange hands one time, land in creeper, sweep across the deck with your back hand on the nose, and then jump back in. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of how to do this trick. It may not be the correct name, but I promise it is super fun to do. And it doesn't matter if you do it the easy way or the hard way. Make sure to go out and learn this one. If you do learn it, tag me on Instagram. Put a link in the comments down below. I'd love to see when you guys are learning these sweeper tricks. And right after this video, you're gonna see a couple of videos up as well to learn more sweeper tricks. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe down below, like this video, comment down below on some other tricks that you wanna see me teach you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, thanks for hanging. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for all things faith, family, and skateboarding. We will see you guys in the next video, and as always,
thanks for hanging.